afternoon, everybody. My name is Mark Lazell. I'm the business website director at Healy Consultants Group in Singapore. I have with me this afternoon Shaidah Shahrom. She's an accounting and tax officer in our office in Johor Bahru in Malaysia. Good afternoon, Shaidah.
Good afternoon, Mark.
How's things?
Everything is good.
Very good, Shaidah. Shaidah, we are due to speak this afternoon very briefly about an engagement you completed recently for a client in Labuan, in a territory in Malaysia. Can you please just give a brief outline as to the services that our client required?
For the Labuan client, the client requests for accounting and tax service, and also for secretary service in Labuan.
Okay, very good. Now, I believe this client previously their company had been deregistered from the registrar in Labuan. So, one of our tasks was to reinstate the company. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Can you first of all just give us a very quick summary as to the processes for reinstatement, please?
Okay, once we receive the information from client that they want to reinstate the company, we request some documents for the reinstatement and ask client to sign the documents. Thereafter, we forward the document to our Labuan local office. Then we reinstate back the company.
Okay. And how long does that take on average, Shaidah, or particularly in this case?
On average, it takes around 1 month.
Okay, very good. And then the client then requested our accounting and tax and company secretary services. Can you give us a very quick overview of what those services were?
For secretary service, we pay annual fee to the Labuan FSA and also lodge financial statement to LFSA. For the tax services, we help them to draft financial statement and file it with the Labuan LHDN.
And what does the LHDN stand for, Shaidah? Can you remember?
LHDN stands for the Inland Revenue Board Malaysia.
Okay. All right. Very good. And is this a fairly straightforward process? I mean, I'm sure that you have handled many Labuan engagements. When you're dealing with the LFSA and LHDN, is this a fairly straightforward procedure?
It's very straightforward procedure if the company is dormant, yeah.
Okay. And were there any particular challenges? You say it's straightforward. Was this engagement challenging in any way for you?
Not particularly challenging.
Okay, very good. Shaidah, thank you for your time. That's all we need to know. And I look forward to speaking to you again about other engagements. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mark.
Bye-bye.